This one is called Give a Fuck What You Think. Yeah, blessed. Rasta rapper people I'm out there. Mr. Blessed! 1 million blood cleat pound. Yeah. 1 million blood clot pound. 1 million blood clot pound. 1 million blood clot pound. Before I hit the blood clot ground. 1 million blood clot pound. You hear me sound? England, me not fucking around. 1 million blood clot pound. Yo, 1 million quid, that's my bid. England, then I'm out this bitch. 1 million quid, that's my bid. That's my plan, I'm out this shit. I came from £1 million. I'm not fucking around. Head or tail when the pound hit the ground. Most likely to be head. I want the queen alive so I can get paid. Remember me, so you want to get laid. In the early morning like a lemonade. And in the early evening like a serenade. And in the night, man, even me and my girl obeyed. You see, this girl really like high life. And songs I really like high life. That's why I gotta change my life. I wonder if you know what my life is like. A long time in to buy a new Nike. Because my son him like the new Nike. And it's 250 for the new Nike. Wonder if you understand though, like, yo, 1 million blood clot quid. Give me 1 million blood clot pound. I head the tail when this shit fuck around. I ain't selling no cocaine to make the shit go down. Listen to my motherfucking sound. I hope sauce don't make you frown. I hope I help you, I see you drown. Remember, don't fuck around. I'm brown, run the town. I'm black, imagine that is not whack. I'm like Tupac.